Okay, good evening, members. I'm just doing a sound check. If you can hear me, just type 1 for me. Okay, just let me know before I start for today. Bursa Thrive. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay, good. Okay, so today we will start with a Bursa Thrive with start with the the market on US market. Okay, so I think whatever people that is holding the call warrant, especially this one is too big. Okay, so SP 500, either you are C12 or C14. I think Monday is tomorrow is the one day that is quite waiting, but happy to wait lah. Okay, because yesterday have a good rebound on SP 500. Okay, so myself also holding a C12, but I don't have C14 lah. Okay, so however, let's see in Monday what is going to happen. Okay, but however, okay, first for I will start on this SP 500. Actually, yesterday the small rebound is not really good rebound. Okay, because the volume is not really that good. Okay, not really that good. Okay, but if you compare this one with I just switch this one to Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is look like much more better. Okay, Dow Jones because we have a very good sign of a little bit support at here. You have a high volume, and that's why the things has been rebound. Okay, so usually when you are looking at the chart, the most important thing is that you need to know where is the SP happen. Okay, this is all the SP happen. You can see along the history of SP 500, wherever you have a SP, you have a small rebound. Okay, you have a small rebound. Okay, just only when the price too high, okay, the SP become meaningless. Okay, because it's in the high side. Example, like when you are your price is above here, then when the price is in higher, a lot of time your SP will fail. Okay, yes, but when the price is traveling down, much more lower, especially when it's dropped to or hitting the bottom line of the trade line. This is a bottom trade line. Okay, so when you hit a lot of time, a small rebound is coming. Okay, so actually this one the rebound is we already been expected. Okay, just that a lot of how to say some scary also happen because certainly have a SO before this SP is coming in. Okay, so but however when we are analyzing the chart, when you have a SP, the second bar has been confirmed the SP. That means the SP, the price did not drop lower than the support. That means it's already confirmed SP. Okay, so that's why here actually give us a good entrance into the call and put call warrant. Okay, or you can entrance for your invest in ETF or option. Okay, for long. Okay, so all these things will be a good rebound. Okay, but however, for me, this rebound I think is not really a genuine one. Okay, so I think it's because 4th of July is the US National Day. Okay, so this one I think will be until here will sideways a little bit. But because however, because the CPI I think still remain at a high side. Okay, because this one is really depends on the oil. Okay, you can I put an oil here. Okay, so when you see the oil price, okay, so has been congested, moving sideways now. Okay, so now there's moving a sideways. So this one likely will be zigzag, maintained at here. Okay, so contribution from inflation from oil, I think will start to stagnant. Okay, so when this thing is stagnant, we will see the some CPI from in US. I think likely this one will be about 8 plus lah. Okay, about 8.3 or something like that. Okay, so but however, if the every month, okay, so it's a lot of 8.3, continue 8.2. Okay, that one also killing. Okay, so before seeing the entire this evening, I have go through a few news in Malaysia. Okay, the inflation no IC in July. Okay, so we also don't know how is it going to be. Okay, so for US, continue to be 8% is not an option for them. Okay, so they cannot be prolonged for them. Okay, but a temporary release, I think this one will be at here, and eventually I think it might be a drop down. Okay, but today I want to try to bring some attention on Dow Jones when we are start comparing 20 before the crisis. Okay, before the crisis. Okay, so I spread out into a two. This one I stop this one and to not too confused. Okay, I make the chart is we need to be much more bigger to see the trend. Okay, so this one I use Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, so we go to the date of 2008. Okay, 2008. I think many people also know that is a big property one. Okay, so here actually I just want to show you some similarity of these two incidents. Okay, but we do not know. Hopefully this one might not happen because economic crisis is one thing that we need to pay attention is it at this position. Okay, so very funny, wherever crisis, okay, crisis before the big drop, usually the chart wouldn't be like this, so drop like this one never happen. They will usually happen like this, up and down. Okay, they will have this usually they call it a decade bounce. Okay, so but in any situation, I think this one is because insider know they need to short first before they make the entire things drop. They need to go up the higher, then they go for a short the market. Okay, so the entire thing is before I put this one, I making a playback. Okay, I play back until here. Okay, so the similarity now here we can see is they're hovering in this upper trend line. Okay, hovering in upper trend line. Okay, I think this one might be forming something like this. Okay, when you have something like this, is it the best part is certainly going up, but I think that the inflation might be not that fast. Okay, or maybe certainly okay, Ukraine war stop, then might be a certain jump. Okay, so if not, I think this one will be hovering like this. Okay, this will we are also will be hovering like this, and you can see here before the big drop. Before the big drop, you see the volume. Okay, you see the volume. One thing is very obvious is this one. Before the big tsunami come, the volume is coming is too high. Okay, to have a close up bar, but subsequent the next bar is drop. Okay, so actually down here we have two. Okay, this one is somewhere up here. The start the major down drop. So now here we'll have another. So whether how hard we going down, this one I also don't know. Okay, so but however here I want to point out one thing is better be careful when the market really up here. Okay, don't entrance any stock if you don't have any analysis. Get your advisor. Okay, your financial planner or anything advice when you currently you need to go for enter a stock, because at this moment now, let's say now hanging in between. If you ask me want to call or put warrant, the answer for me is do nothing. Okay, we only trade when it's near the trade zone. Okay, without the in tengah-tengah like this one, we don't trade anything. Okay, because they can be fluctuate in any direction. Okay, so if you're getting some advice, okay, it's not this is not a buy call or sell call. Just only my view, okay, my personal view. You need to wait until here. Okay, the price go to the upper line here. Okay, so we need to be careful if the things is did not continue to break out. Okay, and this one have a tendency to like a big drop. Okay, so because we also know US will continue to make the rise the interest rate higher and higher so the money will flow out from a market more and more. Okay, so actually this is a very good comparison. Okay, so if you can see back this all the thunder, all this crisis is if crisis coming, okay, so usually you will see a certainly drop from all this point one. Okay, all this point is did not drop one. Okay, they will only rebound first at here before the big drop. Okay, so for the next I think after the how to say the after the 4th of July, I think might be something is happened. Okay, I think before the holiday, everything so might be a rosy. I think will be maintained at the for US. I think mostly need to be wait. Okay, so and wait see whether that is for wherever you have already in core warrant, you can wait for take some profit. Okay, take some profit. Then in the group I have advised some lah. Okay, you can take from profit, then wait until he hit the upper line. Okay, upper line will be the might be you need to switch to a put warrant. Okay, so this one is US. Normally not much to predict, to forecast, because the things will be likely to go up first before it's coming down. But certainly a big drop, certainly like a big drop of a breaking the down support trade line. That one we need to be careful already. Okay, so we afraid that 2008 crisis might be repeating itself. Okay, so this is a little bit about US. Then we are moved to Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong share actually is quite interesting. Okay, because it's ready from a rebound, a small rebound. Okay, so and this one I think is with US condition, I think this one will be in the sideline first. Okay, before in September only we'll go back to, I think go back to the opening of this year 2020, go back to 23K. Okay, 23K. But for sideways market, if you are investing using a call and put, actually it's quite interesting, because every fluctuate you can get about 20% or about 20% plus minus like this. Okay, but trade invest in the structuring warrant is very high risk. You need to be cut loss fast, or your decision of fluctuate is very important. Okay, but this one is not a recommended you to buy or sell structuring warrant. Okay, this is only my opinion on it. Okay, so you can see here this is the Hang Seng Index in compare. Let's say I bring this back down up for US. Okay, US actually the here if you have the indication of VF, you can see the line still above the ML line here. Okay, but it's getting lower and lower. So if one thing this one break, the things are likely to will be continue going down. Okay, but however, if you are comparing in the Hong Kong have some momentum built out at the back. Okay, so when you are using the VF indicator, you see this ML line. Okay, the VS is already getting far from ML line. That means this is all activities building up some momentum here. Okay, no doubt price usually will pull back here because they need to test this level again. Okay, as long as this level, when you are reference to VF, you have a good momentum still built up here. That means this the support is there. Okay, never say that the support never to be cannot be break, but sometimes if the market news is too bad, okay, the how strong the momentum at the back, this one will also will break. Okay, but however, if because a market with a build out of momentum will be more stronger than the market that is without the momentum build up at the back. Okay, so that's why when you are seeing Hong Kong market is already have some support that is like going uptrend again. Okay, but no doubt because this world is round. Okay, US is still the biggest GDP compare relation in the world is the highest. So anything is problem. Okay, this one will be affected to come down. But however, I think likelihood this one will be in a sideways. Okay, so for you for Hong Kong, that wherever you're still holding a CJB, okay, all this one you can still keep the profit run, okay. But however, myself is already I already out from Hong Kong already, because I did not invest too much on it, okay. So also can be miss the opportunity lah. But however, this thing I think because I missed the opportunity, I won't jump in to invest again in this layer, okay? Because the concept is we need to only invest in the upper resistance or in the lower support area only, okay? In between, we don't do any trade, okay? So this is Hang Seng Index, and we shift to our Malaysia, okay? So KLIA, I'm sorry, KF future index of KL composite index. Okay, so I already quite not when you are analysis. Okay, so actually we are in just break our channel. Okay, this is called channel actually. Okay, when you had it, when you are in this channel too long, good news you need to break out. Okay, when you just go to bad news, break down, then you will be in a very dangerous. Okay, so what this thing might be caused is because foreign investor continue flow up from Malaysia. Last 2018, okay, after the election, okay, we have been in the downtrend until now. We did not out from the downtrend yet. Okay, so just that we have a sideway where our market is not going anywhere. Okay, so and you can see here, this one I think might be not going to revisit again, because the COVID is I think is not that severe compared in Malaysia current situation now. Okay, and US, okay, is getting some support. Okay, but however we are still in a position of moving down. Okay, so this one we still in reading a chart. This one actually this is no support, and we did not know how this one going to stop. Okay, because we still don't have any high volume, something like a high volume SP or double reverse bar. Okay, so important thing is we need to see this as SP. Okay, something built out like this. Okay, hopefully we can see something like this. Okay, you have a high volume at the end of a month. Okay, so after that you have a continue move out. Okay, so then we can safely go back to this level. Okay, so but the major now, this one major support become major resistance in 1477. So I think that is will be still hard for us to crawl back to this layer yet. Okay, so however, but if you based on VF, actually you can see it's not getting better. Okay, VS already dropped below ML line, and the sell down momentum is getting stronger and stronger. Okay, once you have this type of market, okay, so it's very hard for us to do an investment. Okay, so as said, if you are based on a fundamental one, you need to wait for the stock to come down, maybe just do for a long-term investment. Okay, so but however for FKL, this Malaysia's market, I only target for put warrant only. Okay, so wherever has a good small rebound will be target into myself is targeting to a put warrant. Okay, because VF is already pointing down to how to say downtrend sell down momentum. Okay, so if you can you also can be seeing this area. Actually this area is almost happen in SP 500 also. Okay, so when you switch to a SP 500, okay, so here is like they're defending this one. Okay, so they have some effort to do it to maintain it. Okay, so you can see here just already a little bit drop below the ML already, but the blue triangle coming in, to have a jump to going up. Okay, that's why when you are reference to VF, okay, for MLI like this, you can know that this rebound you need to be jaga. Okay, so this is not really a very strong rebound. Okay, so when you have this one, you need to be careful. Anything the market still in danger. Okay, so the direction for US market is still same in a downtrend, Malaysia downtrend, and the Hang Seng Index is in a pullback. Okay, just pullback. I think the rebound and sideways market might be coming up. Okay, so this is Malaysia. So nothing can talk about. Okay, but one thing this one today I want to highlight a little bit is the Naga. Okay, so the latest news is Malaysia is not allowed for the Naga to raise the electrical bill. Okay, the tariff they cannot increase the price. Okay, but the Naga is something that they will buy the arang batu core. Okay, so to get the power supply first before they collect back the money from us. Okay, they're paying the bill. Okay, but now we know that the core is already all the raw mat has been going up. Okay, so that's why this one is not a good sign for the Naga also. Okay, so and we can see here the Naga is already start have some sell down position, whereby you pay attention on these two big volume transact. Okay, so when you have a big volume, it did not go up. That means this big volume is smart money selling. Okay, why they are selling? Actually, when before create this thing, they already know 50, maybe 60 or 80 to 20%. They didn't know the tariff will not be increased. Okay, that's why they're selling first. Okay, so what we are waiting for is from here we need to what we are looking for is another high volume. Certainly here form a SP. That will be good. Okay, that will be good. That means someone is already come in buying at the bottom. Okay, so you can see here I put a trade line. Okay, so or maybe I put it in a weekly chart. We'll be seeing the directions more clearly. Okay, you can see here we are trapped in this in this zone. Okay, so what we are looking for is very funny one. Okay, what you need to see is in the history, you need to see this one certainly happened at here. Then you have a rebound. Okay, either you have see a down bar, certainly have a SP, and you have a up bar. Okay, these two will become like a two bar reversal plus SP high volume, or that one will be a very good signal. Okay, the rebound is coming. Okay, so why all these things will be might happen is because the Naga we cannot short sell, but the smart money and market operator they can short sell. Okay, when the short sell already, they need to buy back. Okay, they need to know where is the news. Bad news come, I sell first. Then when the good news good news going to announce maybe somewhere here, then they straight away buy back. Okay, when they buy back, you will see the volume has been charged out one. Okay, you can note that you can see here the volume is not fantastic, but this one has been slowly moving up. Okay, smart money they will use all type of technique to make sure cover their footstep. Okay, they don't want to be tracked by us. Okay, because if we tracked by us, we just tumpang makan for them. They really don't want. Okay, but the you can realize is this big portion, these big things. Okay, these big things. Okay, so if you can recall back, okay, before in the 2008 Dow Jones, before the big drop, actually you see this thing is hovering at the top line. Okay, it's all our upper trend line. Okay, upper trend line. Okay, so already. Okay, so upper trend line here will be before certainly a big drop coming. Okay, but I don't know in Monday what will cause the Naga to the movement with that kind of news. Okay, but we also know that the Naga is one of the component in the index. Okay, so when it drop, there will be some significant effect on KLCI. Okay, but however, when I analyze the sector, not the sector, the 30 all stock of our component, okay, I found that many component stock has been start to turn down, okay. So only except still holding on is all the finance, okay, only left finance, okay. So let's say like CIMB, Hong Leong Bank, okay, Hong Leong Bank and Maybank. Okay, Maybank still in the upper side, still holding. Okay, so and public bank, you can see all the patterns still same. Okay, their bank sharing a same pattern because the interest rate rate is continue moving higher. Actually, will bring some good for public bank for bank sector in the short term, but not the long term. Long term also not that good one. Okay, so you can go for let's say example like RHP. They are all still at the high side, okay. But if you go for you see like this, there are a lot DG, okay. So Hata is going to kick out soon. Hata are going to kick out soon. This is the weekly chart, or is a weekly chart. You can see the pattern is almost the same. The Hong Leong Finance and the bank one still holding on. Healthcare still sideways, okay. And also the Maxis, okay. Maxis has been dropped. Can be said that you can drop back to 2011 price, okay. So still we are waiting for a high volume to come in, okay. Something like this, something is this volume, okay. But we continue see this volume still did not see any turning yet, okay. That means the selling still continue at here, okay. There's no rebound yet, okay. So out of so many component inside the our Malaysia 30 component share, okay. So I think that is not really a good sign for our stock, okay. Except some like TN still have a holding here, but we did not know that certainly this one has been moving down or how, okay. So we need to be careful with this type of market, okay. Really volatility is high and uncertainty is high, okay. So like Top Glove and Hata, this one I think don't know, need to wait until how long. Only see some light is coming in, okay. So because last sometime at here actually we see some good rebound here, but however if you are looking at the weekly chart, it become an uptrust. This is a sign of weakness, okay. Sign of weakness come up, okay. So you need to better be careful already. And you have SP here. Once break down SP is your cut loss already. You no question asked, okay. So when you have uptrust confirm, SP break the SP, okay. So it will be a double confirm to cut loss, okay. If not, the more things will be more you will be losing, okay. So this is some component index, okay. So next week then we need to go into the trade VSA, see anything we can do with the stock, okay. So foreign fund, like this one is an update until 23. That means this is a Friday, okay. 26, 25th. Oh, this one before Friday, okay. So I think some foreign funds is maybe stop selling. It got coming in some. That's why our market is being supported a little bit. Okay, and you can see the risks. Okay, so this one I want to show you the Sunway, my favorite one. This one, Sunway's risks. Sunrig, sorry. Okay, this is a Sunrigs. Okay, Sunrigs also we have a but for rigs actually usually they will trap in a they usually move in a sideway like this one. Okay, so because it's a dividend based, there will be not much transfer all the their profit to get a strength into their price in their stock. Okay, so when you have this one, I'm also seeing it's like going have some how to say a pullback. Okay, a pullback. One I want to show you here is that the interesting is this one, the SP. Okay, so when you are attending our course, you will learn that how to the software. If you join the trade VSA, the software will straight away indicate for you where is the SP, where is the LC, and where is the sell off. Okay, once you don't need to use your naked eye to see. Okay, break. That means this one is going to break this line. So the tendency going back to touch 20 moving average is getting likely. Okay, the getting might be happen. Okay, so and you can see here the indicator is already getting weakness, but just only a VF. The line momentum still building up in this high level. Okay, that means sometimes the support is still here. Okay, there will be maybe it's not immediate, can be breaking this one, but maybe if he too many times hitting this wall, one time will be break one. Okay, so hopefully we can go up more, and it's the best is moving a sideways. Okay, so this is a risk. You can see here in the market, risk still risk and finance now. Okay, and I think here now is the best. If you don't advisable, if you don't have any idea, just don't invest. Okay, so if you invest in finance also, even though it's still in a high, it did not in a drop, but unlikely to see the things might be going much more higher. Okay, so that's why in these two position, you need to be careful. Okay, if you want to do an investment. Okay, so right now the uncertainty is there. Better hold cash first. We don't know whether is it the crisis or 2008 is it coming. Once coming, then your cash become king. Okay, so that's one become a very good opportunity to grab some good fundamental stock. Okay, so this is the math for KLCI composite. Okay, and let's say we see some screener come up anything. Okay, so but for now, because our index, when you see the calendar, we are still in red. Okay, so when the calendar is in red, this means it's not advisable you do any that means the market is still in the downtrend. Okay, so better don't need to be careful. Okay, even though if you use this PGTB, this is a setup for like when you are buying in some stock that it has a potential to moving outward, but it's when the market is in the red, it's not advisable. It's because nothing much. All these things might be a turn. Okay, but you can see here this is a few big one, and we choose to see some of a stock like this. Now got a lot of not popular one, maybe a small different how to say cannot be small. Okay, so some of it the small cap one is also quite very good. Okay, but okay, so for this type of a stock is very challenging. Okay, so when you are seeing this one, okay, very funny is why your VF so down. Okay, so this one actually is point out to smart money hidden selling. Okay, it's called hidden selling. Okay, they will continue flood the share. Okay, so they will sell here before they will sell wherever they can before the market. Once it's empty out of market, the market will fall together with the gravity, follow the gravity, just fall like this only. Okay, and you can see here the volume at here. This is a few volume. Okay, a lot of volume here, but no effect to moving out. Okay, that means it's like you do some effort but no result. Okay, so why something like this? Because sometimes they're already hidden selling. Okay, so because the VS already the momentum at the background start to become turning down, become a sell down already. Okay, so all that like this type of a stock better be careful, because as I said earlier, okay, so usually stock they did not like this drop like this one. Okay, seldom lah. Okay, seldom. There will be something like this one. Okay, they will already have a history like drop going up, drop going up. So this time they might be going up and drop. If a lot of people buying here, okay, so maybe another big drop. end all the thing because you follow the history. Okay, why we are seeing this will be a dangerous because and the background momentum is already spoiled. Okay, you compare this one and here. Okay, this one also the momentum is getting lower, but certainly the support of coming in after that. Okay, here if we see support coming in, then different story lah. There might be some moving up. Okay, but however, based on the drop. Okay, and this one I think to corner out is quite hard. Okay, so this one is a quite a dangerous one. Okay, at least you have insider news, then you only trade. Okay, without insider news, better don't touch it, all this kind of stock lah. Okay, so if another one is the favorite one is the YBS. Actually, YBS is very a good setup, but it's like it's not really when come to a market is a volatile. It start to moving sideways already. Okay, so this one you also need to wait for the does the in the market conditions has been a record getting better. Only this one might be having a chance. Okay, for now for now the market I see is nothing much we can go into all this stock. Okay, except you can go for a short position. Okay, wherever market drop, then you can benefit from it. Okay, if not, you need to wait for it to U-turn up. Okay, to U-turn up, you can use the spring. Okay, so we also using the PGTB. Okay, so but the spring is a two rate here. We are not not going to look at it because it's the signal is not that good. Okay, another one is a NWP. NWP last few days I think there's some rebound. I think this one. Okay, so but also cannot last. Okay, so because you have a rebound, then suddenly it's coming back the drop. Okay, so this one likely still is in a sideways market at least. But something good is the now got a SP here. Okay, so if seeing a Monday, see whether they can hold a little bit before another leap up. Okay, so this one definitely here is your support, and anything actually need to trade is near here lah. Okay, so but now it's really going up. We also cannot trade. We need to wait until it's come here. Got a lot of sign of strength, then will be a better look. Okay, but still totally is not really a good chart setup yet. Okay, so I think it's not many. Okay, or it's a red. Okay, a lot of too many red now. Okay, so really if not really have a very good environment to trade now. Okay, except you have trade call and put warrant, or you trade the ETF a short or a long now. Okay, so that one will be a little bit you can look into it. Okay, but here I have some line change. Okay, we can look at this one. See the chart. Is it very any opportunities there? Okay, computer form. Okay, this one certainly come out like this. Okay, so not really after come out is it going to come down or not. Okay, but definitely the momentum here is still good. Okay, so the momentum of build up and here is still good. So you can see that the comparison, let's say just now the earlier to stop. Okay, you something look like a sideways, but the VS is already something like this. Okay, then will be not a good option. Okay, but wherever VF has been dropped down, it certainly have a U-turn like going up again, like a signal here. So the rally is coming back. Okay, VF is a very sensitive on tracking the background momentum. Okay, once you have this one, there will be a rebound and wing up. And usually when you have this type of a drawdown, but your VF still maintain, that means the momentum is still there. Okay, so this one already rebound, but one thing fishy is the volume, because this volume is not good enough, okay, to create this time how to say is we call it a long spread. Okay, when you have a long spread here, you also can look into using 15-minute chart. Okay, we make it more smaller, see whether it's the last minute charge out or it's the early morning charge moving out. Okay, so you can see a high volume is happening in about 3 p.m. Okay, so before until the end still. Likely this one has been, yeah, I think this one also maybe got some news. Okay, so this one has been jump out. Okay, so I think this one is also quite interesting to look at because the background is look quite good. Okay, so this one for trade because we don't trade at the breakout like this. Okay, we usually trade in the pullback. Okay, pullback because a pullback buy is not pullback buy, pullback maybe enter in the pullback technique, that will be much more safer. Okay, so this one is really breakout and this one rich energy. I think this is oil and gas one. Okay, so this below 1 cent, below 10 cent, then it will be not that easy to trade. Okay, then let me see another is UWC. Okay, so we paste here. Okay, okay, so it's look like already also is a good one. Okay, so because you can see that the VF is continue going like a trend up above momentum line again, and you have a volume high here, and your volume has been picked up. Okay, also this one quite look, this chart look good. Okay, so we can put our support line is here. Okay, support line is here, and your this is an upthrust. Then the second line, second bar close will be your immediate resistance. Okay, immediate resistance. Okay, so when you have this one, I think if no sign of weakness coming in, and we also know the oil has been a little bit rebound. I think this one might be some chances to reclaim this resistance level. Okay, so we put here to here is about 12%. Okay, so for trade when you are if you are applying a trade zone methodology, okay, so here is only a trade zone. Okay, so in a medium we don't trade anything. Okay, so because we don't want the uncertainties there. Okay, but however this is this UWC, and the computer form is quite two stock that we might be have a look for next week. Okay, because it is a very volatile market, weak market, but they still have some volume to push out. Maybe there are some project at the behind, some stock. I think not many. Okay, and even though I think LC only left only 5 stock. Okay, when you see the scanner very less stock, that means the market is still not in a not in good yet. Okay, so before I end today's season, okay, just want to show some. I'm having a course. Okay, so this is a called a structure warrant. Okay, structure warrant. There will be this course will be in 16th of July. Actually, this is a 1 whole day Zoom class. Okay, so and we kept it in 20 pack. Okay, so because we need to make the group smaller, have a better support. Okay, for the members. Okay, so as I know that it's almost half already been registered. Okay, so thank you for members or who support. Okay, so this is how to get the class actually is just to actually is a very concentrate in how you do an investment using a Macquarie core structuring warrant. Okay, structural warrant because you have a core warrant and also you have a put warrant. Okay, put warrant is wherever stock is dropped, you earn money. Okay, this core warrant is when your market is going up, you earn money. Okay, so with these two, market only go 2 direction, right? Okay, up or down. Okay, so if you can master the timing correctly, okay, usually you can get can be profit in both way. Okay, so also the same the risk when you talk. Okay, you also can, if the timing is wrong, you become lose in both way. Okay, so you need to be careful with that also. Okay, okay. Okay. So beside that, in this course also will be we are using, because the first one we will explain what is the structure warrant is. And when you you already have the knowledge of structure warrant, you also know where is your entrance. Okay, the entrance that the method we will use is Wyckoff methodology. Okay, Wyckoff is already 100 years old methodology. Okay, that guy is already not here. Okay, so but his methodologies is already last for now until here already 10 years. Okay, still applicable. Okay, that's the best part of it. Okay, so we will go deep on this one, and we will demo how to add using this methodology and the structure model that we learn. Then we can go to do some investment into stock and stock-based warrant or index-based warrant. Okay, so actually this is a very one day course. We try to pack it quite compressed a little bit. Okay, but all the members that is already signed up will still we have a group chat that lead by me to continue to support in 3 months time. Okay, so because we need to try to help what you have learned. You need to be how to apply. Okay, we don't want the members just learn and don't apply. Okay, we need to in a real situation how we apply it. Okay, the detail is I will later on put on the because this is a recording item, and it will be put out into a YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, Bursa YouTube channel. Okay, this is the some information here. If you have interested, you can go into you can just call actually this is Z Trade VSA charge person. Is also a coach. Okay, so or you can just click in here to register. Okay, just a little bit about my course. Okay, so hopefully more members can join, and we can share more in our structure warrant, so that we see that how we can benefit. Okay, get us your equipped with your some knowledge. Okay, if the downtrend really come. Okay, so if anything 200 actually 20, if this the crisis coming, actually is a good opportunity. I see. Is why I say that is because let's say you are waiting to buy a public bank. Okay, public bank, or you are waiting to buy the Naga. Okay, the Naga I think won't bankrupt lah. Okay, won't bankrupt like penny stock. Okay, so you have waiting this thing that the price in the high side is for so long. You know how to go to this one in 2008. By the time you got the timing, but you know bullet. Okay, you know bullet. How do you want to invest? Buy at the bottom. Okay, pinjam bank also very dangerous. Okay, so when you have a timing, but you are not ready, equivalent nothing. You cannot do anything because the timing, but you are not ready. But now, if this thing happen, because this is based on my age, okay, my age now is just 44. Okay, so now from here, okay, so now we are been ready. We got the skill. Make sure if the timing is come, then we have the capital. Then you can go into a very good stock at the behalf with buying not buying, invest in a very discount rate. Okay, with this kind of discount rate, I think you need to get ready if the things is really come down. Okay, the best part is when the things come down, you just don't watch. Okay, in 2008, you can go for a short using a futures market. Okay, to short. Okay, but the price and the capital you need is higher compared structural warrant. If you can your structural warrant, you just using a lesser capital to maximum the gain. If the big drop is really coming, you need to be or get ready to know the knowledge how to use your put warrant to benefit it. Okay, once you have a profit in put warrant, then you can secure yourself when the market that they're already close to bottom, okay, because the market won't forever drop one, okay, sure will be have some rebound, sure will be a rebound because the economy actually is expanding, okay, it's expanding, it's never never come down, okay, so only unfortunately if the World War III is coming, like that's a different story, okay, but if the bottom has been rebound or your profit input, then you turn to FA. Buy into, let's say jump into the Naga, public bank, Maybank, just close your eye and wait for the economy to be bounced back. Okay, will be another 10-year cycle maybe. Okay, so once you can benefit this cycle, surely you'll be already financial independence already. Okay, that's why I see the drop is actually a opportunity for us. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so I will stop here for Bursa Thrive for today, and hopefully next week we can spot more opportunity. Okay, to trade this market, but the market now is really volatile. Okay, so you need to equip yourself closely first before you make a decision to jump into a market. Okay, so for now, I'm signing off. Okay, so we'll see you for all member and who support Bursa Thrive for next week. Okay, bye. Have a good night sleep. Okay, thanks.